Let's go. Hindi ko alam kung paano kataasan yung quality ng video eh. Tangina. Na-stuck siya sa ano man. Sa 144 tsaka 240 ano, P. Ewan kung paano taasan. Eh pre, tangina nyo, galaw. Saan ba tayo?
Time to jump. Shadows traveling.
Spike down B.
Pre, tingin ka sa akin, pre, tingin ka sa akin. 6-7. 6-7 man.
Shutting them down.
Last player standing. Spike down B.
Taka na, crouch. Ano yun, spam eh.
They're usually distracted once I reveal them. Make sure you take advantage.
Parang Reyna main yung nagagamit ng account na to. Tangina.
Reloading. Cutting through.
Okay, pitong life ko.
Tangina, nasan yung camera na yan, Cypher? Dahil may magpa-plank, may narinig ako dyan. Pre, may flank, yung jet flank. Nice one.
Reloading. Gun here. Reloading.
One enemy remaining.
Dead. Here. Grenade. It is their luck run out. Affirmative.
Ah? Anong palit? Takinawit nga lang yung keybinds.
Yan yung net.
Their walls down.
Bakit H yung ano?
I have the spike.
Paano ako nagkaroon ng
Bakit
bulldog?
mga skin ni Teo?
Tangina mo, huwag kang magreklamo, hindi ko ano to. Ay, yung skin ko? Huwag kang
Oo.
magreklamo man, di naman ako bumili niyan.
Shadows traveling. Suppressor going out. Grenade out. Target 86.
Tangina, spam.
Rest. My ultimate is ready.
One enemy remaining.
Garapal si Bor ngayon, pre. Garapal mag-spam.
Gun here. Gun here.
Dead. Last.
Lakas mag-spam.
Baril. Oh, pre, tira mo yung hawak. Stinger. Tangina.
Reloading.
Ano to, gold omen.
Gold. Oo nga, na-OP yung moment, pre.
Gold omen, this is me. A gold omen. Absolute gold.
Knife deployed.
Gago palpak.
One
Tanga na
suppressed.
may na-detect yun. Gago, galing. Spam. 70k ka.
Cover going out.
Kulit ng camera nito. Pati nga nung camera mo, Cypher, what the hell?
Spike down A.
Takas ng gold omen namin. Tangin
One
na.
enemy remaining.
Tangin na, ang galing mag-spam mo.
Oo.
Pa-inspect pa ng ano yun, no? Parang kala mo talaga eh. Ano narinig ko dito sa shop? Tangin na, may bulbul oh.
Last player standing.
Nadinig ka.
You will not kill my allies!
One enemy remaining.
Putang ina, ace yun! Ace yan, napakabaki! Tangi naman, nonchalant siya, pre, nonchalant, Reddit.
Good on. Smart.
Tangi naman, nonchalant, Reddit. Siyempre, ayaw ni Nogdog na nalalamangan siya. Ace din yan. Ace din niya si Nogdog.
Wala, walang
man.
pansit yan dun eh.
Ay, walang pansit kanton. Pre, pansit kanton daw pag naka-ace, oh. TJ. Tangina mo daw, pre.
Ha?
Tangina mo daw.
Tangin yun. Wala.
Putang ina pangalan ng Jet Bilat. Hayop. Laro. Meron galing dito.
There. Spike's down.
Spike down A. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Hostile KIA.
Nasaan?
Suppress it. One suppressed.
30
Spike
seconds
retreating.
left. Ten seconds left.
Spike planted. My ult's ready.
Ayun, tangan na, narinig ko na. Pakilago, kahit umikot pa siya, tangina niya. Sino gusto ng baril na to? Tangina, ayoko nito eh.
I can activate
Okay.
training mode if that's
Ah.
more their skill level. I can buy.
Ay, may pera ka. Sige, pa-drop
Need a
ako.
drop. Thank you.
Kasi pa ako sa prison life, pre.
Tangina, puro ka prison life, kukulong kita eh. Kukulong kita eh.
Stand by to get some. Suppress it.
Tama na yan. Putang na, wala naman na-detect ngayon, what the hell.
Our spike carrier is dead.
Spike down A.
Kill.
Yeah.
One enemy remaining.
Well played, well played, well played.
Will they try the same old tricks?
Maganda need yung ano? Raise.
Time to jump. My father broke. Knife deployed. Time to One jump. suppressed.
Fire in the hole!
Tripwire destroyed.
Flash. Flashbang.
Putang ina, mali flash. Putang ina, mali. Gago.
Last
8,
player
8,
standing.
8, 8, ano, stage 8, jet. Ay, okay lang. Tangina ni Bilat, man.
The enemy only looks composed. Their hearts tell a different story.
Gago pre, patay na rin siya eh. Ikaw last player eh. Sama na ako sa inyo pag push ng site.
Cutting through. Knife deployed.
Wait nyo ako.
Flag it. Cover going out.
Hindi ka alis dyan.
Kaya nyo pala eh.
You're not.
Kupal yun ah.
There.
Pabanday ako, Nog.
Light planted.
Cutting their
Flashbang.
enemy spotted.
You will
Last
not
player
kill my
standing.
ally!
Tangina, tatlo eh. Binuhay pa yung isa eh. Putangin na, kalaban pala lang si Cardo, kaya pala ang hirap.
I feel the strain. Block it out, Omen. Shadows traveling.
Nangyari.
Wala pa naman.
Good.
Cutting through. Suppress it. One suppressed. Take it down. Spike planted.
Tangina kasi yung duelist yan, hindi marunong magbantay ang puta. Sniper naman, nasa likod pa rin.
One enemy remaining.
You tried to be a hero. Great job.
Taka na itong Yoro. Pinapanood ko yung kalaban, parang gagawin puta.
I will fulfill my purpose.
Tapakin ko to. Taka na kami ni Bor nagbubuhat ngayon, no? Tapos si Nog nasa baba. Nog, account ko yung gamit mo, Nog. Bago sumayos. Baka lang naman.
Wait lang, nagano
Wait
pa.
lang, withdraw lang ako, pre. TJ. Withdraw lang ako, pre. Ay. Ay, sinagot ba naman ako? Wala kang pera eh. Sige man.
Nangyari.
Wala, takina mo mag-push ka.
Shutting them down. Reload.
Link.
Stealing.
Nag-TP.
Back off. Here.
Tangina, meron
One
link.
enemy remaining.
Last one link. Walang bawas yun.
Team
Nice one, well played.
The man who dies meaningless. I'll make them remember the only human.
May iba naman, magumid ako.
Good. Drop nyo nga ako.
Ha? Yaro, drop. Can you drop, Yaro? Thank you.
Thanks.
Tanga na nag-drinks tapos nasa party team. Ay, nasa party chat.
Kill confirmed.
Tanga na, meron pa palang isa doon, gago. Yung gecko nandito rin, ha. Ingat sa link. Pwede pa kayo mag-rotate.
Reloading. Decoy. Cutting
Still
through.
inside.
Spike drops.
Yung isa nandito man, isa nandito. Sa likod.
I have this.
Spike
All pa lang.
down B.
Last one link.
One
Last
enemy
link. Last
remaining.
link.
I have retrieved the
Tower na, tower. Taas, man. Taas, Yoro, taas.
Last
Bagal ng
player
reaction time ang
standing.
puta. Bumaba, bumaba. Ingat, hall. Hall. Hindi pa nila alam yung mapa, man. Nice try.
Clutch.
Okay lang yan, man.
Last round in the half.
Don't do it. Send it out before it's gone.
Ako din, pre. Ay, ang dami nating may ult, man. Ulti tayo. Unahan mo.
Cutting their vision.
Gago.
Inside.
Two suppressed.
Plant the spike.
Tangina, nasa kanya spike. Nag-TP doon, gago.
Spike down. Defender spawn.
Naliligaw ang puta.
Flash.
Tangina kasi, baray na, uy.
Last player standing.
Ano ginagawa na ito? Pre. Nasa yung spike. Ba't ka nag-TP dun sa spawn nila? Wait, may mic ka? Try mo nga magsalita.
You will not kill my
wala.
allies.
30 seconds left.
Merong isa dito.
Press nyo nga ako.
Ano,
Press nyo ako.
Ha?
Ha? Hotdog.
10 seconds
right.
left.
Left.
Ayun lang. Yung sa kanan yung narinig ko eh. Meron din pala sa rep. Refrigerator.
Left.
Switching sides.
I find them. I kill them. Simple as that.
Ha? A chamber.
There.
Ay. Pre, si chamber, pre.
There.
Si chamber, tignan mo, Nog. Bagit yan ang brochure, gago.
Don't worry. I'll keep them quiet.
B-site. B-site mid. Hold mo lang, ano, TJ. Nice one. Ghost yun. Planting.
TJ, nandun na.
Spike
Pre.
Reload mo
planted.
na. 105
Zero
daw
kay
range
Gecko.
going.
Blinding.
Zero kay Gecko.
Last player
lang.
standing.
Time to jump. Don't mess with me. Fake teleport.
Sa likuran. Sayang.
Never show weak.
Nakabulo tayo man. Kailangan natin mag-lock in.
Ah. Tinanggal ko na yung Roblox eh. Yeah.
Tang natin mo yung camera na Cypher. Gago. Dami dun.
On the way na. Hold nyo muna.
Tripwire destroyed.
110. Hindi ko nauluan yun.
I must wait.
Gago.
Reloading.
Spike down B.
Nice. Omen low, baka na-heal.
Last player standing.
Wait lang. Tangina ni
My
Bilat.
bad, my bad.
Tangina ni Bilat.
They will scurry. And then they will die.
May control na ako.
Ito ko matagtugan.
Dito. Here.
Back up. Knife deployed.
Dito sila nakakapasok ng sobra.
Spike planted.
Flash. Grenade out.
Enemy spotted A. Reload.
Flashbang.
Gago, bulag yun ah.
Enemy spotted A.
Last player standing. One enemy
Trick
remaining.
shot.
No time. Save. Ba. Alam niya din yung tungkol dun ah.
And the last thing they'll see before they die. Lucky them.
Marunong naman yung Cypher, pero ba't ganun? Hindi siya makasabay. Gago, 4 na sa isang site. Ayos yan. Tanga na nga sunog ah.
Many enemies here. Cutting their vision.
$65 lang. Rotating. Nandito yung ano ah. Injet.
Spike planted.
Nasa art.
Decoy.
Last player standing.
Kaliwa mo ito. Ayun lang mo. Ha? Nalikuran ka?
As much as this world hurt me, it's mine.
Baka dyan galing.
Ah, baka.
Do not resist. Cover going out.
Ayos na, tangina niya. Ingat mid.
Knife deployed.
Di pa sila nakapasok na malalim. Dito para sa kabila. Oh, ha?
Nag-rotate.
Nag-rotate daw. Ingat pa rin mid ah. Doon na daw.
Throwing charge.
Spike planted.
I detonate. You don't. There.
Now remember, wipe the prints from your guns.
Instant death
Just
man.
crime scene etiquette.
Instant death. Ganun kasi yun pre, pag ano, pag pinlant nila tapos hindi naman nila mababantayan, i-dep nyo na lang kaysa sirain nyo yung wingman.
That guy down. My ult's ready.
Spike down mid.
Tangina, meron pala doon sa kabila. Wala akong kasama ba? Nasa mid, dalawa.
Fire in the hole!
Andito yung ano, yung sage nasa kabila. Abangan mo sa loob ng smoke. Wala na, pupunta na sa site yan. Buka barrel.
One enemy remaining.
Nandyan din yan, Nog. Ingat.
Spike down B.
Gago nandun pa rin sa mid. Ingat dito, pre, ah. Nice one.
Break.
Well played.
Catch your breath. Not that
Not that I
I need
need
to,
to, of course.
I need a drop.
Ayoko nga. Tangina, narinig ata ako na na. Dropan mo, halo. Tangina, ang galing naman timing ngayon, hayop. Focus sa B side.
XT ko.
Gago, wala pa eh. Papasok pa lang eh,
You
oh.
will
Last smoke.
not kill my ally!
Nire
Ayun
si ano.
na.
Si...
Smoke ka na lang, pre, tapos ano mo.
Spike
Smoke ka,
planted.
tas death mo. Gago yung ano, meron dito.
Cutting through. Many enemies B.
Gago.
Last player standing.
Gago. Ano eh, Odin eh. Wala talagang palag.
I can't see them yet.
Ang ano nung Sage nila, 21-11.
Need a drop.
I can buy for you.
Sige pre-request.
Need a drop. Thank you.
Jump them. Here.
Shutting them down. 3 suppressed. Cover going out.
Mid. May nagbumbot, nagbumbot sa mid. Nandiyan na, Nog.
Get out of my way!
Nandito, nagano dito. Nandito.
Okay, okay, okay.
Walks away. Shut down.
Spike down B.
Flash. Shutting them down. Flash. 2 suppressed.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Nice, well played.
You were big.
Tangin na, binato ko lahat ng ano.
My cameras is broken.
Binato ko lahat ng utility ko dun eh.
Ano yan?
Gago. Ang gago, bumili siya ng ano. Nandiyan sa inyo, Nog.
Wala.
Suppressing.
Spike down A.
Sila galing mid.
Baka mag-backside. Baka mag-gano yan, flank. Hindi, nandiyan naman si Omen eh.
Hindi pre, papunta sila B. Nag-link. Nandito. Ayun nga, diba? B. Pre, wala nang tao sa site.
Wala nang tao dyan. Teo, wala nang tao dyan.
Kung walang baril. Meron ako. May bundle ako. Ah. Ayoko.
Last
Kailangan.
player standing.
Si Sage nandyan sa site at si Raze nandun sa may ano, link.
1
May wall na yan.
suppressed.
One enemy remaining.
120 na yan si Raze. Low na row yan, sabi ni
I'm
PJ.
busy. Flag me. Nice knowing you.
Nakita.
Sabi mo low na eh. Di inano ko na, minoli ko na. Kesa abangan ko, di ba?
Clutch.
Paglalaroan lang ako niyan eh.
I bet you never seen a
Eto ba yung sinasabi yung paborito kong baril? Ha? Gago ka ba?
Baka nga
Bakit
yan.
ka?
bragging rights if you give
Ayoko hawakan niya, nakakadiri yan. Tangin na mo lang. Tuwang-tuwa ka sa light stick ko putang ina mo. Doon na daw.
Careful need.
Spike down A.
Two suppressed. Flashbang.
Time to jump.
One enemy remaining.
Be grateful I killed you quickly.
Gun here.
Phantom, baba ng bawas ng Phantom.
Match point.
I saw their desperation.
Ah, hindi. Nauluan ko lang siya. 3 bala na tumama eh. Pag tinamaan pa ako ng isa pa nun, tangina, patay na ako. Pre. 6-7. Tinan mo. Saan?
Flashbang. Enemy spotted mid.
Atras mo na. Atras ka. Gago, dapat doon ka na lang umatras eh. Kasi mag-push yan dyan eh.
Cover going out.
Doon daw.
Shadows traveling.
Ingat pa rin ha, baka ma-buff lang tayo.
Scatter. One suppressed.
Nakapagpigil lang ako doon sa Omen.
Gago, hindi tumama yun. Nag-crouch bigla eh, puta. Pre, yung Gecko nandiyan lang sa
Spike
sulong.
down A. One
Nice
enemy
one.
remaining.
Yung Sage, ewan ko nasan. Nagagala. Huwag kayong maniwala,
30 seconds
nagalaw ping.
Spike spotted A.
Blind, mag-ulti yan. Ayun yun, nasa inyo naman Spike eh. Hold nyo lang. Pwede siya dumaan doon pre sa taas ha. Ingat, abot yan eh. Ayun
10 seconds left.
Nice, GG.
Defenders
Let's go,
win.
top frag.
We'll clean up. I can take out the trash.
Cardo. Out na? Sa laro lang ang putyang ina. Bigat! Binuhat ng Iron 3. Ano ba yan?